So until now we have added the basic things like logging, registration, then selecting particular plan, business setup, then selecting business, switching business. Now we'll try to make it a production ready. So first we will set up a gate and all these things. So I will create a new repository for this. So it will be next sync, and then basically I will make it private, and then just create repository. So repository is created, then I will use this one, git remote add. So I will copy this one and I will paste it here. And so git add, git remote add. Okay, so we have to first initialize this. So I will git init, then I will paste this one. So remote is added, and then basically create branch -m main. So I will just paste this here, and then basically I have to push this code. So before pushing, I will have to add all this code. To add the code, so I can use git add dot. So basically this will means all the changes will add it to this staged, then git add dot. Okay, one thing is that this ds store should not be there, so I have to remove this one. Okay, then once this git add is done, I will add git commit -m. Then I will just create initial business SaaS CRM setup. So rather than calling SaaS CRM setup, I will call it SaaS setup, because this boilerplate can be used for any SaaS business. From now onwards, we'll add the features. So I have added all these things. So I will delete this file, and then basically we have to publish them. So I will use this git push -u origin main, and this codes will be added. So I will go here. So code is added here. So now onwards, if I make any change or issue is there, I have to revert it back to some code. That will be easy. So this step should be a first step whenever we are creating any project, and then basically manage using that one. So for this I will just explain what exactly I follow for git. So I will have this main branch as a development branch. Then basically if I'm in a team or something, I'm handling team, then basically for any feature or any change, we create a branch from this one. So it will be a feature branch coming from this particular development branch. Okay, so and then basically whenever we want to release, we can basically create this release branch. So we'll have that only that particular code of that particular release, and then basically we'll merge it to production branch. So new branch will be created for production, and whenever this code will be pushed to this production branch, we will put that basically CI/CD pipeline and all these things. To add the CI/CD pipeline, we can use this GitHub Actions. To use the GitHub action, basically we can create that workflow.yml file, and then basically to set up some secret environment, we can go to settings, and then secret variable, we can add the secrets here. So basically if you want to add CI/CD pipeline for AWS, then you can add AWS secret key, and all the details for buckets and all will be added here, and that can be used in that YML file. So whenever we are setting up CI/CD pipeline, then we will cover that how to implement that particular CI/CD pipeline for AWS or for other servers like DigitalOcean or something else, or your own server will do that. For now we have set up this GitHub. Now onwards we'll try to make our this CRM system be ready for a production. So we'll make some UI changes, and we'll add some basic features that can be used. Then basically we'll check if there is any security issues, we'll fix that, and then we'll basically set up this particular project on our production server, and uh, then we will continuously will add more features and will complete this particular project.